Hi everyone, Catherine Grill here. I'm the CEO and one of the founders of Neolth. And today I'm going to be walking you through Neolth's educator tool for teachers and how to access and find different content in our practice library. So the practice library has a bunch of guided content from doctors and therapists that you can use for yourself or with your students for guided relaxation activities or to build up different learning skills for your students. So I'm going to share my screen and I'll walk you through how to access this content. So I'm logged into my educator account at cloud.neolth.com on a computer, but you can log in to any device. Just go to cloud.neolth.com and log in to your account. I've gone here to the practice library. It's called Practices. And then you're able to see all this content. So you can scroll through. You can see quite a bit of practices here on the right-hand side. And on the left are all our filters. So I love using our filters because it helps me really quickly find the practice that I'm looking for, which can be helpful in the classroom. So the first filter is the type of content. Neolth offers more than one type of relaxation practice. So we have written things like journaling and CBT, which I'll describe in another video. We have audio practices like meditation and guided imagery, which I'll talk about in another video. But you can just click on any of these things to sort for one or more different types of content, and you'll see those practices automatically show up here. If you want to add more filters like length of time, maybe you just have 5 or 10 minutes to do a classroom activity, hit that filter and you'll slowly narrow down the content. So this is a great way again to find exactly what you're looking for. Click into an activity, you'll get a short description of what it is. And when you decide you like that activity, you want to go to the practice, just click go to practice. And then there you go, you'll see the activity. It'll walk you through step by step how to do the activity with students, or there will be an audio guide, and you'll even be able to see which doctor or therapist made that practice. Hit back to go back to the practice library. Beyond using these filters here on the left to search for practices, you can also use the search bar. So type in anything that you're looking for. Maybe you want to do a body scan activity, type that in, hit enter, and you'll see all the different activities associated with that. If you want to favorite an activity, maybe there's something you really like doing in the classroom with your students, just hit the little star here. And then you'll be able to search for those activities. Just go into favorites and you'll see your most loved activities right there. You can click into them and go directly to that practice, or you can toggle back to all practices and search for all of our content. Just clear your filters and you'll see the whole library pop up again. So this is how you can search for or access different guided practices in Neolth's practice library. We hope you enjoy this feature. See you next time.